Friends, we know very well how powerful a lion is. On seeing them, all the animals in the jungle run away to save their life. They are absolutely right to do so because they show no mercy to their prey. Lioness hunt more than lions, no matter big hunter they are. Sometimes it happens they that too have to face defeat. Today we are going to show you so much video in which lions mates with the wrong animals. Here two orthog were eating something when this lion attacked them. After this, she hunts one of them, but despite this her hunger is not satisfied and she goes after the other one to catch it. The orthog was of no use and to save its life it start attacking the lions, after which the lions also has to retreat. Just pay attention here, this lion has get into a fight with a crocodile. While fighting with the crocodile, its leg gets broken, after which it has to face a difficult in its life. Seeing this condition of the lion, it seems that it will not be able to live much longer. Its leg is broken, due to which it will not be able to hunt. This is the reason why it is seen crying in the jungle. We saw something similar here as well, where many lions together attack this buffalo. But this buffalo does not accept defeat and keep on attacking these lions to save its life. Hearing the voice of the buffalo, its friends come here and all of them together start chasing these lions. Even though the lion is the king of the jungle, but the number of buffalo is very high, so the lion retreat out of fear, and then in no time many buffalo comes here. Now take a look here and see how the lion has attacked the elephant, even after knowing that size of the elephant is very big and it is almost impossible for the lion to press the neck of the elephant. However, elephants are not carnivorous. If the elephant was carnivorous, then pray her this lion would have become the elephant food. Here an antelope was drinking water, which caught the attention of a lion. As soon as the lion see the antelope, it immediately attack it. The lion tries to catch its neck by throwing it down, but the antelope tries to save itself and start hitting the lion with its lion. The lion of this antelope was much bigger and the lion frightens because of the lion and it runs away from there to save its life. Friends, if I tell you that biggest animal of lions are lions themselves, just look here, this lion was resting when some other lions attacked him. This was not a small attack, it was deadly attack. This lion tries his best to save his life, but all three of them were trying to kill him and were constantly attacking him. In this fight, the lion gets badly injured and loses his life.